Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about all the new features in iOS 26 Beta 2. Apple has just rolled out the second developer beta of iOS 26, bringing the first round of refinements since the system's unveiling at WWDC 2025. Though still early in development, iOS 26 Beta 2 introduces a number of visual and functional tweaks that continue to shape the next-gen iPhone experience. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, I would like to highlight the Control Center enhancements. It's worth pointing out that the Liquid Glass Control Center now features a stronger background blur, improving visibility by creating a more opaque appearance behind the buttons. The reduced transparency toggle in the accessibility settings is now more effective, significantly minimizing the liquid glass effect to make interface elements clearer and easier to distinguish. What's more, Apple has also repositioned the plus new tab button in the tab view. It now sits in the bottom left corner, similar to iOS 18, replacing its earlier top left placement in Beta 1. For users using the compact tab bar layout, both back and forward navigation buttons are now available. Then, I would like to take your attention to the App Store Accessibility section. A new accessibility section has been added to the App Store product pages. Developers will be able to list supported accessibility features here, offering users clearer insight into app usability options. And then, I would like to highlight the wallet order tracking feature. Full order tracking support is now available. Siri can scan your mail app to detect order confirmations from merchants, even if purchases were not made through Apple Pay, making it much easier to keep track of your incoming packages. Next up, I would like to take your attention to the new ringtone called Alt1. A new ringtone titled Alt1 has been added under the Reflection section. You can find it under the Settings app, Sounds and Haptics, selecting ringtone, and then choosing Reflection, and then selecting the Alt1 option. Then, I would like to take your attention to the new Live Radio widget. Apple Music now includes a Live Radio widget, letting users tune in directly from their home screen or Today view. And then I would like to highlight the low power mode description updated. Apple has updated the low power mode description to better explain what it affects. It now mentions that the feature temporarily reduces processing speed, display refresh rate, brightness, and limits features like 5G, iCloud Sync, and mail fetching. And finally, I would like to take your attention to the live captions transcription notice. The transcribe calls option has been renamed to save call transcripts. iOS now plays a sound to alert call participants when transcription starts, emphasizing transparency in call recording. And that's pretty much it. So these are the all new features and changes that have arrived in iOS 26 Beta 2. Now that you have unlocked these all new features, make the most of them as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.